Okay, hi. Well, okay, how's everybody today? Wasn't it a beautiful day today? And
Hi, doggy. Hi.
Zuki, what are you doing?
I'm talking to this doggy here. Hi, doggy. Nice doggy. Are you a nice doggy? Oh,
Zuki,
what?
Zuki, that's not a dog. That's a tree.
I know it's a tree, but it's got a lot of bark. No fun. Yeah, nice doggy. Nice doggy. Yeah. Nice doggy.
Zuki, he's not a. I've told you before. That's a tree. A tree. Tree. Tree.
Tree.
Tree.
Oh, come on. For me, he's a doggy. Not you a doggy.
Suki, don't be. Did you hear that? Hear that? Hear that? There's a dog across there at the supermarket.
Hey, listen, there's no dog around. That's the dog right here. I call him. I call him Harvey. What do you say, Harvey? See? Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Oh, okay. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Well, well, Zuki, we're gonna scoot along right now.
I want to stay with Harvey.
No, you'll talk to Harvey some other time. Uh, see you later, Harvey. Oh, we'll be back. We'll be back. Don't you fret. Okay, this is Matt and the Hat
I'm joking around.
saying so long for now.
I'll be back here again on YouTube, right? Right?
Yep.
Right, Harvey?
Okay, Zuki. Okay. So long, folks.